This is our MV930G tracker, a relay-shaped, easy-to-hide vehicle tracker. Before you can use the tracker, you need to open its cover, insert the SIM card, and then install the cover. Then you can perform the wiring operation. After completion, you can perform the SMS configuration. First, enter this command to configure the APN, and then configure your center number according to this format. On our platform, click on Geo-Fence below, and you can also set up your Geo-Fence. Click Command at the bottom of the platform, and then click the icon in the upper right corner to view the configuration report of the device. Click More, then click Alerts. You can query the alarm report of the device. This interface allows you to see the live location of your vehicle, and click Playback below and select the date to see the historical route for that date. This is our fuel cutoff test. First, connect the power cord. Connect the red line of the device to the positive terminal of the power supply, and connect the black line to the negative terminal of the power supply. Then connect the positive terminal of the power supply with the green wire. One section of the test pin is connected to the blue control line of the device, and the other end is connected to the negative terminal of the power supply, so that the test connection is completed. You can enter this command with the central number to perform remote fuel cutoff and recovery operations. And can also perform remote fuel cutoff through the platform.